Is Resident Evil 3 not launching or crashing on your PC? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix the issue and get your game running again. Solution 1. Verify game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library, locate Resident Evil 3, right-click it and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now wait for Steam to scan and repair any corrupted files. Solution 2. Right-click Resident Evil 3 and select Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click on Browse. Locate re3.exe, right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Enable the following options. Run this program as administrator. Disable full screen optimizations, then click Apply and OK. Now launch your game. Solution 3. Update graphics driver. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to update your graphics driver. Solution 4. Update NVIDIA drivers. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App, then open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Solution 5. Install Visual C++ Redistributables. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and find vcredis.x86, vcredis.x64. Download both files. Once downloaded, double-click vcredis.x64. Accept the terms and click Yes. Wait for it to install, then click Close. Don't restart yet. Now double-click vcredis.x86. Click Yes, accept the terms, and install it. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Resident Evil 3 and check if the issue is fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you still have any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.